Hello to all French-speaking learners. Welcome to a new episode of my French class teacher podcast dedicated to students learning French. Today, let's dive into an essential subject for building a solid foundation, the family vocabulary. Whether you are in your first stage of learning or want to consolidate your knowledge, you are in the right place. So, how to name your family members? Let's start with the basics. Family is a warm and important thing. Here are some words you can use to describe family members. The dad, you can say le père ou le papa. You can repeat after me. Le père ou le papa. The mother, la mère ou la maman. The son, le fils. The daughter, la fille. The brother, le frère. The sister, la sœur. Easy, right? These words are the foundations of your family vocabulary in French. Then, to talk about extended relationships, we can say grandfather, which is in French le grand-père, grandmother, la grand-mère, uncle, l'oncle, aunt, la tante, le cousin. For a male cousin, la cousine, with a E at the end for a female cousin. It is like building a puzzle, right? Let's add these pieces to get a complete picture of the family. Now that we have the pieces of the puzzle, let's see how to put them together to talk about yourself and your family. So, if you want to say, I have a brother, in French, you will say, j'ai un frère. J'ai un frère. If you want to say, my sister's name is Marie, le nom de ma sœur est Marie. Le nom de ma sœur est Marie. My grandfather is very nice. Mon grand-père est très gentil. Mon grand-père est très gentil. Don't forget the grave accent on the E in père and très. Without accent, it would be pronounced as peur and tre, which does not exist in French. If you want to say, I love my cousin, she's fun. J'adore ma cousine, elle est très drôle. J'adore ma cousine, elle est très drôle. Here, same, don't forget the grave accent on the I in très, on the E in très, and the circumflex accent in the O of drôle. With these simple sentences, you can already talk about your family in French. And that's all for today. Congratulations on exploring family vocabulary in French. Don't forget to practice these words every day, whether chatting with friends, writing short paragraphs about your family, or by listening to dialogues. Continue to build on this foundation and see you soon for a new episode. Don't forget to download your vocabulary cheat sheet. À bientôt!